Hello, my name is Vincent. I come from the team Ognidoof, and together with Foodingo as our client for our final year project in Information System 2015-2016, we would like to present to you our application called Marketplace Foodingo, where we want to make ordering easy. So our main target here is our vendor, which are the small scales or maybe medium scale based restaurants, and we like to make their ordering easier, especially to the suppliers, where they need to come up with sales and then come up with the quantity of ingredients. So we want to simplify that process, and also at the same time provide a marketplace where suppliers and our vendors meet. Okay, so in order to demonstrate further, maybe I put in an account here, which is a vendor account. Alright, and then what I can see is that I can see the one-click order here, expected order for today and pending orders. Alright, for the vendor. And the biggest thing what I can do here is that I can create an order. And this is based on the dishes that have been linked to the ingredients. And let's say that I believe that in the next cycle I will have 10 quantity of espresso and maybe like 50 dark confit. Something like this. Okay, and then I can actually check the order breakdown. So as you can see here, these multiple suppliers, all the dishes that I put in have been linked to the ingredients in which there has been linked to the suppliers. So I can see all this breakdown, and in fact, if I feel that this is not enough to cater to the some buffer that I have, we actually have this operations buffer quantity. So I can put 10% here. This will be auto completed, and then you can see the quantity change and the total price also change. So once I'm happy with this order, I can actually add on special request. Please deliver my order at 70. I can confirm the order breakdown. And this will take quite some while, but what it's doing is that it's currently making sure that the order has been processed neatly. There's going to be some validation checks from the back end, and also making sure that all the orders have been sent to the proper email addresses. So as you can see, your order has been sent to suppliers. So you will direct me to the pending orders where I can see all my different orders. And if you see my emails, you can see that there are new emails here that specify to which orders that I've been sending to. And of course, these are the special requests. Please deliver my order at 17th. So those are the powerful kind of like functions that we are working towards, which is one of our main functions. So let's say that you want to have further communication with the suppliers. So it's very easy. For example, if you want to inquire more about order one, what you can do is that you can chat with supplier and you can chat with him directly straight away. And you can also view invoice. So you can come to this order invoice where you could have the option to generate the PDF. So those are the functions that we would like to add on in order to make sure that it's easier for you to establish relationship with your suppliers. Right? And we also have the order templates in which you can have templates by dish and ingredients. So that actually explains why we have one click order here, which is based on your dish ordering. So all of these layouts are actually based on our interview with some restaurants. Okay, and the second thing that you can find out useful is when you want to find ingredients. For example, that you wanted to find potato. Who sells potatoes? So you can actually go and potato here. Okay, and give a certain timing. Alright, and then as you can see, there's a potato here, and you can actually see the expected price and expected delivery duration. And let's say that I come up with something like strawberry. So you can see here that there are two of the suppliers that sell strawberries, and I can actually compare some of the prices. Notice here that there are some quantity here in which that I could actually send in the quantity ordering. So for example, I want to send 10 grams of order, and I can have the option to add to cart. So I do that. So as you can see, item is added to cart. I click OK, then I can actually start doing cutting. And you can see here that I can submit this order directly straight away, and comes to the order breakdown page that I could send the order directly. So just click on strawberry order and confirm order breakdown. So that is actually how you could find potential suppliers. You can compare some of the prices that they offer, some of the qualities that they have, and finally you can actually send the orders to them very quickly. Alright, so that's the view from the vendors. We actually provided the supplier view also, in which that we can log out here, and then let's say supplier, we want to access supplier view, so Benjamin 2015, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so these are the orders that have been pending. If the suppliers wanted to make sure that these orders are already accepted or rejected, the suppliers can do that very easily. So are you sure you want to accept the order? So give a time, and then it will say that you have accepted order number 2. So as simple as that, it will be accepted. And there's also chat functions that they are able to uh, communicate with the with the vendors. So once you click on it, then you can see. Alright. So with that, we would like to conclude this demonstration. What we would like to achieve is that by the end of the future, we would like to have more vendors and suppliers coming in, that they can actually start delivering orders very quickly, very simple, and they can establish the communications in the future, and of course their relationships with each other. And they use our application, Marketplace Foodingo, for the place to meet and for the place to order and benefit each other. With that, we would like to end our demonstration. Thank you for all of you for listening.